Question 2. Part 1. The value of the ionic product of water, Kw, A, depends on volume of water B, depends on temperature C, changes by adding acid or alkali D, always remains constant. Correct answer. B, depends on temperature. Light bulb hint. Kw changes only with temperature, not concentration. Part 2. A base when dissolved in water yields a solution with OH- ions equals 0.05 moles dm cubed. The solution is A, basic B, acidic C, neutral D, either B or C. Correct answer. A, basic. Hint. High OH- ions concentration means basic solution. Part 3. The pH scale was introduced by A, Arrhenius B, Sorensen C, Lewis D, Lowry. Correct answer. B, Sorensen. Hint. pH concept was given by Sorensen. Part 4. pH of a solution is defined by expression A, log H plus ions, B, log 1 upon H plus, C, 1 upon log H plus, D, minus log H plus. Correct answer. D, minus log H plus. Hint. pH is the negative logarithm of H concentration. Part 5. The pH of a 10-3 MHCl solution at 25 degrees Celsius, if diluted 1000 times, will be A, 3. B, 0 C, 5.98 D, 6.02. Correct answer. C, 5.98. Hint. Water is contributing 10% as much H plus as the acid, which is no longer negligible. So total H plus is slightly more than 10-6, not exactly 10-6. Part 6. How many dm cubed of water must be added to 1 cubic decimeter of HCl, pH equals 1, to make pH equals 2? A, 0.1 cubic decimeters B, 0.9 cubic decimeters C, 2.0 cubic decimeters D, 9.0 cubic decimeters. Correct answer. D, 9.0 cubic decimeters. Hint. pH change 1 to 2 means 10 times dilution. Part 7. What is the approximate pH of a 1 into 10 to power minus 3 m of NaOH solution? A, 3. B, 11 C, 7 D, 1 into 10 to power minus 11. Correct answer. B, 11. Hint. Strong base pOH equals 3, then pH equals 14. Minus 3. Part 8. Calculate the pOH of a solution at 25 degrees Celsius with H3O plus equals 1 into 10 to the power minus 10 m. A, 4.0. B, 9.0 C, 1.0 D, 7.0. Correct answer. A, 4.0. Hint. pH equals 10 means pOH equals 14 minus 10. Part 9. The pH value of a 10 MHCl solution is A, less than 0 B, equal to 0 C, equal to 1. D, equal to 2. Correct answer. A, less than 0. Hint. Very strong acid. H plus, greater than 1. Therefore, pH becomes negative. Part 10. Which of the following has the highest pH? A, M, 4 KOH. B, M, 4 NaOH. C, M, 4 NH4OH. D, M, 4 Ca, OH, 2. Correct answer. D, M, 4 Ca, OH, 2. Hint. Produces 2 OH, ions per molecule, highest OH, ions concentration. Part 11. Which of the following statements are correct? 1. Kw equals H plus, OH minus, equals 1 into 10 to power 14 at 298 Kelvin. 2. At 298 K. H plus, equals, OH minus, equals 1 into 10 to power 7. 3. Kw does not depend upon temperature. 4. Molarity of pure water equals 55.55 Ma. 1, 2, and 3, B, 1, 2, and 4, C, 1, and 4, D, 2, and 3. Correct answer. B, 1, 2, and 4. Hint. kW depends on temperature, so 3 is false.